Okay, welcome to the wonderful, exciting video number 3 of the saga of creating your own server, which interacts with Gamesalad. And I think, yeah. So here we've done a lot of stuff, a lot of the groundwork in the last 2 videos, and now we're gonna make a Gamesalad project which will interact with the server and which will display the success of what it means to which will successfully display the conclusion to our exciting project. So yeah, title servers are called demonstration, iPhone 6, and so what we're going to do now, I was looking around for a button to select my own server, but it actually doesn't exist until you make a table. So I'm just figuring that out right now. Yeah, so I go to purchase table, and then I realize, oh no, I actually need to make a table to select a server. So I make a table here, and I'm calling it GSHam, but because that's what I called the one on the actual server. I make 3 columns. First 2 have got to be text, and the last one have got to be an integer if I want to fit with the PHP document, which would be a pretty good idea. Player ID, player name, player stats. And okay, so it's all fine. And now I can select multiplayer, select my own server. And so I've got my initial scene, and I'm going to give it a couple of basic objects to demonstrate the effectiveness or lack thereof of my server. So this is hit me with some JSON, hit me with a table. Create a rule. Yeah, if the mouse touches, if it's pressed, then just send me send me a JSON table, a table in JSON format. Okay, great. So table, game, yep, GSHam. That's the table we set up. Okay, callback. Oh, whoops, don't have a callback yet. So let's make one right away. It'll take a few seconds. Scene, no, game attributes, plus integer. Yep. Call me. Good. Right, so that can be the callback. Call me, integer. We don't have a URL yet because it hasn't been done. Okay, that's pretty much what you want at this point. So go back into Gamesalad, and the PHP file. I mean, get use PHP. All right, now here we've actually got different information to what we need. So this bit that I just highlighted, that's the table ID, and you really want to have the right table ID because otherwise it won't work. So we should get that. And so what we could do is we could find the Gamesalad project file. So I put it in documents called demonstration and go to, no, not get info, go to show package contents and go to tables, and which one is it? It's not that one because it has like a consumable in it, which is probably the other one. So yeah, that's the table ID. It's ID 113542, and yours will probably be different. In fact, it's pretty much certainly will be different. So we've got to change it to fit the actual table ID in our particular Gamesalad project file, because I think they're all unique, maybe. And I changed it to ham, not GSTest, so GSHam it is now. And there's nothing else there saying test, which is good. Just do that search. Okay, like we're pretty much a long way there. So there's the thing on the server, and what I'm going to do now is upload the PHP file. I actually made a mistake here, so I'm gonna spend some time on making this mistake. So the mistake is that I'm actually logged in under my other account, not under the demonstration account, and I didn't realize it until the next video, I think. So go to hotdocs or htdocs, and the website is very, very helpful. They actually say, you should put your files here, so there's no doubt as to where your files should go. So whereas I tried originally to use Amazon AWS, and Amazon AWS is really cool. I'm sure it's fantastic. It's just a little bit confusing if you don't know a lot of code. So I select get use, which is the one that we're using. Open. Great. Upload it by pressing the tick, and it will upload. Great. Okay. Now, this is a bit I get into a bit of trouble because I've actually uploaded it to the wrong server. So here I am trying to find the file, and I'm not going to be able to find it. But anyway, yeah, that's not it. Yeah, so I'm not going to be able to find the file. I'll tell you some random things while don't feel free to change the next video, by the way, because I don't think I solved the problem right now. I'm just panicking. I'm doing it live, and I'm not delivering to my viewers right now in this video because I have not realized that this is the wrong server. So yeah, no, it's just not going to get fixed in this video. So if you want, just feel free to go to the next one, or I'll tell you some random things. So one thing is that I think that I started out with Amazon AWS because I think I somehow heard it was good. Even though I don't code, I have friends who do, and my housemate is actually experienced in coding, and I took it to. Oh, okay. So I'm just finishing the video now. So the next video will contain the